What's up, everybody? It's Jim back here with another edition of Bar-jutsu Retro. Tonight, we're playing a game that nobody really gives a shit about, so I'm gonna fucking play it anyways. Woodpecker. Because why not? You know, why do I have to play games that are popular? Why can't I play games that just fucking suck? So let's dive right in and see what we're getting into. Here we got Woody Woodpecker, America's asshole, one of the most annoying cartoon characters ever created. The model dick bully shit starter, Woody Woodpecker. And apparently his niece and nephew or some shit like that were kidnapped. So we're going to go ahead and just start the fucking game. Look, hey, look, we got our shit and we're going to play. And typical 90s graphics, which is just still pretty cool. And somebody comes and kidnaps them, and I'm a fucking bird. And we're going to go ahead and just skip ahead and get the show started for the 4 of you that are watching. I remember watching this when I was a kid, this cartoon, and thinking when I was a kid, wow, this guy's an asshole. Okay, so what are we going to do? Press the door, jack my game. I don't want to go there. And I guess we're going to go this way. Now, this is one of those earlier PlayStation 2 games that had the blue background. The back of the disc was blue, so I was afraid it wasn't going to play, but it did. I have the fat PlayStation 2, and this one, it's probably older than... It's probably the original PlayStation. And I guess I'm just going to collect these W's, right? What is the purpose? Go straight through. Here we go. What am I doing? Am I going here? Space. Not like, you know, Woody's Space Adventure or, you know, like some sort of catchy name. Just space. We're going to space. Part A. Part A. Yes, I want to continue. Oh, it's one of those ones where I can't even use the right analog stick. And there we go. Let's start space, part A. Look at the cheesy graphics, but it's so great. So satisfying. And let's see, what do I have here? I have Y, or triangle, which makes me hump the ground. I have square that makes me go num 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 num. Oh, have some of that. Oh. And then I can jump. Let's see. R1 changes my view. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. Well, I can't go first person. R2 and R1 doesn't do shit. So let's go. I don't want to jump through that, obviously. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. I'll be honest, I know I had this in my collection, but I do not remember having this game. Or I remember having it, I just don't remember playing it. Oh, shit. Oh, look at that, I already got an extra guy. Still don't know the point. Oh, eat shit! What the fuck? Oh, and then this guy's gonna fucking shoot me? I hate this. I hate these... Oh, okay. So if I hit L1 and I can't see where I'm going, it will change my view. So I just do that, and I go back, and I guess I'm going this way. Or I'm going up. Come on, asshole. Come on! No, I don't want to hit that. Okay, what do the W do's? Now, I am obviously running out of games to play. Ah, son of a bitch. I'm running out of games to play, and I'm trying to go through my whole library. I'm going to have some games like, what's it called? Despicable Me and Monsters, Inc. Because, you know, they were PlayStation games, and they were like a quarter, so I had to get them. Take a ride. Press the action button. Let's ride this motherfucker. Oh, that's good. What the fuck? Oh, am I supposed to jump off of it? Let's see if we jump off of it. Oh, there you go. Okay. I gotta admit, though, these are the games that I like, and I know I've said that before, so if you're like, dude, stop saying the same thing, then don't watch my show. I don't give a shit. I actually do give a shit. I love when you guys watch it. But, let me see what I have here. So I get it like 50 more of these. And what is that thing floating? Okay. But, these games are awesome. Because this actually makes me feel like I'm playing a game. Woohoo. And now where do I go? There you go here. Nope, no, oh, death. Ooh, I saved my ass. Still don't know the point of this level. But I'm gonna fuck this dude up. Fuck you, you little shit. Oh, yeah, 29 more to go. Oh, don't die. Oh, Christ, what is this? There's like no run button. All right. 10 more. And this was, just so that you know, this was back whenever they couldn't quite perfect the speaking on the games. So it's all gibberish. Pretty much like my narration. Alright, I can't get that. Oh, look, it's a drawbridge. So now I get to go back. Breath! Son of a bitch! Oh, look, but I don't have to start over. And I need 5 more. Clearly, I do not need to narrate this. I think any idiot could play this game, but I love it. I love you. Thank you for watching. Terrible loading time. Awful. What? No way. How'd I fucking clear that and I missed 5 W's? I didn't even see the 5 I missed. See, that pisses me off. $1? One fucking dollar? Asshole. The fuck was the point of that stage? Yes, no, no. Do I want to save? No, fuck it. I don't give a shit. Yes, I'm fucking sure. Oh, is it space part B? Oh, wait, where am I going? Space part A. Space part B. So original. Let's do this. Guys, yet again, just a reminder, if you have any games that you'd like me to play, uh, if I have it, I'll play it. If I don't have it, I will find it. Because if I go to, oh, son of a bitch! If I go to LukeyGames.com, not a cheap plug, they pretty much have everything. But then again, you can go to Amazon and they have everything too. Let's go, bitch. You're telling me that's the only attack I have? Well, what do I do here? Wobble, wobble. The circle does nothing. Where are you? Oh, what is this? Still pretty cool. I will admit, the graphics are delectable and fun. I could see enjoying this game like 20 years ago. You know, if you were a big Woodpecker fan, or if you were just an asshole, I could see you being like, oh yeah, this game was really cool. Where's this taking me? Oh shit. Was I supposed to do that? I think I just committed suicide. You know, this keeps doing this, and this is getting on my goddamn nerves. I don't know why this does this, but we keep losing signals. Whatever. Let's hit pause in the game and see if it changes anything. What a disappointment. I got this software, and I don't know if it's the greatest software ever. But you guys can see. Oh, there we go. So whatever, it just decides to do what it wants. Let's go back to that. See if that'll work. Sorry, guys. What an utter disappointment. Oh, let's shut it off. I don't quite think it's the software. I think it's the video game or the monitor. So let's turn the monitor back on. Although it can't be the monitor because it would still play through the laptop. No. What the fuck? What a truly, truly shitty way to end the game. I can't even fucking get the screen back on. Terrible. Fucking awful. What a way to start my weekend. Well, shit. That's it, guys. The fucking game stopped playing. I don't even know what to do. What if I unplug and then replug and it doesn't do shit? Disappointment. Guys, I'm sorry. The game shit the bed. I knew something was going to happen because it was the blue disc. And even if I hit reset, let's see if that works. No. Utter disappointment. That's it. Psst. Early game for you guys. Got nothing out of that. What a piece of fucking shit game. I wonder if my PlayStation can't take it anymore. Let's hit reset. Just out of curiosity, I'm wondering if it is because it's a blue disc game. And if the screen comes back on, no, no signal. Guys, that's it for me. I'm very sorry. This was a short episode, only 17 minutes. But hopefully I'll get this thing fixed and we'll see you next time.